Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this animal print mani using Revel nail dip powders. So let's get right into the video. My nails are already cleaned and prepped, and now I'm using my Cherael bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can always use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They do the same thing. Then I apply my peel-off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step. Now, starting on the index finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dipped it into my Lola dip powder. I did 3 layers of that, and I also did the same for my middle finger. My application wasn't great for this nail set for 2 reasons. I'm using my non-dominant hand to do my dominant hand, and sometimes my hands just don't cooperate with me, so the application was not neat. The second reason is because I had this base liquid for about 6 months and I never opened it, so the consistency was very thick. I should have put some gel thinners in the base bottle, but I forgot, so that's another reason why this application wasn't of its best. I have a video where I talk about dip application with my non-dominant hand, and I also show my filing routine, so check out that video. I'll leave it in the cards. Now, on my ring finger, I'm using Emily, and I did 3 layers of that. I also did the same on my pinky finger. Then I'm using my Pro Dip Clear Dip powder, and I did 2 layers of that, but I only showed 1 layer. So now I apply my activator, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying my Model 1's gel top coat, and I cured for 30 seconds. So right here, I'm using my Model 1's purple gel polish and I'm placing some shapes on the nail to imitate a cheetah-like print. These shapes aren't uniform and it doesn't have to be neat shapes, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm using my black nail polish and I'm creating half a circle shapes, if you'd like to call it that, around my cheetah-like shapes. I did these over off camera because I didn't like how it looked, but you get the point. And then I wait for it to dry. Now I applied 2 layers of top coat on my ring finger and I cured for 30 seconds both times. The reason I applied 2 layers is because the nail was still a bit textured with 1 layer. Then I waited for the nails to cool down and I applied my cuticle oil, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!